Good morning everyone, this is Anna from Leximi Journals. I hope everybody's well today. This is a new journal that I created for the Graphics Fairy membership site for the designer team, and it is for the month of August. And I've themed it, named it The Bard. So it is dedicated to Shakespeare, and I found a lot of images, a lot of different bundles at the Graphics Fairy premium site that suited this theme. So I was bold for choice, and I used quite a few of the different bundles. Let me show you the journal. I chose a very deep red here for the cover, and I varnished it with actually shiny to imitate the leather, and it really feels so. It's just right like the real thing. And this is the spine, and I've added this image from the royalty images here and it's a crown. So, and there's quite a lot of gold around to complement the type of the book that it is. So let's have a look inside. The end papers come from the marbled end papers bundle, and they look just like the real thing. They have quite a lot of burgundy, so they matched very well the cover. So I decided on this specific design, which I also love. And there's a theatrical character here, and who is a jester, and he is presenting the whole book to you. So this is a Shakespearean lady, and I framed her onto this page in a transparent pocket, and she can slip out, so one can add an image here, whatever they like. And I thought this paper is just beautiful and matches this very well. So I cut out the images from the royalty images bundle, and I added them throughout the book as an option. This is the way I did it for these specific images. And I added it here, and I have some floating tabs of theatrical characters running through the whole of the journal. Very easy to move around. This envelope comes from the royalty images, and they're already made, these envelopes. So all you need to do is just fold them. And that was really easy and fun to create, and I've added this transparent pocket so that it could just slip in, and it features in the page. It's just, I love it the way it looks. And this is another image that is a page of an old book I've added from the Graphics Fairy, from one of the Graphics Fairy bundles. There's another floating tab here. This is a book plate that I've attached onto the page, and French frame cards to write notes. These run through the whole of the book, and they're wallpaper samples for pockets and tuck spots. That's what they are. This comes from the European Renaissance. Another theatrical character. Shakespearean lady, more tuck spots here. This is from the royalty images. It's a palace. So there's a lot about royalty, and as there is in Shakespeare, in the Shakespeare plays. There's another side pocket and washi. There's a glassine envelope with some cards, and this is some music paper here. This is a lovely addition to the page with another character. There's a page from the royalty images. Another Shakespearean lady. There's another card here. This theatrical plan unfolds into this with this tuck spot on the side, and it's one of my favorite images of this book. I just love it, and I love the pockets, the red pocket here that it looks, this is the same red. And again, it matches the cover very well. There's a Shakespearean lady here, and another tuck spot. This is from the European Renaissance. Another floating image here and some washi. This is a fairy from the Ballerina Fairies. It's quite magical, the atmosphere in this book, I find. Here there are the theatrical characters. I created like a bunting impression here, and I've added the remaining of the theatrical characters that I didn't use in the as tabs. And these are also from the European Renaissance, and some letters, old letters here, an old letter, and another tuck spot, washi, another lady here, and this is from the European Renaissance, a knight. I mean, Shakespeare has a lot of knights in his stories, and there's some more imagery here, washi, and from the royalty images, another royalty image here. These are delicate, and they go so well onto the pages, to add some interest on the pages, and also one can separate into parts their journal and use these. I just love those. And there's another washi, another royalty image, and a purple tuck spot. And this is it. This is the end, finishing with another theatrical character, and the ex libris, which comes from the book covers and tin types, and it actually complements this specific cover, I find. So this is the journal. It's very thick. It's got lots of pages, and I know I always say, oh, I'll put less pages, but I always end up with lots and lots of pages. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This journal will be found on Etsy this Sunday after 8 p.m. UK time, my Etsy shop. So have a lovely day, and we will be talking soon. Thank you so much. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.